everyone. This lesson is about parallel, skew, or perpendicular lines, and we're talking about in space, so 3D. So that's going to be 3D. All right, so let's look for, let's just answer these questions here. We have line WZ here with XY. Those lines are parallel. So I'll just call this 1, 2, and 3. So parallel is going to be 1. Okay, we have WZ with QW. That's perpendicular, that's 3. SY. So let's see, SY and WX. Where's WX? WX. Okay, those lines are skew because they will never intersect. So that would be 2. All right. Plane, WQR. And SYT. So that one is this one. So it's basically the front of the box and the back of the box. Those are parallel. And then let's see, we have, let me just erase this. Let's see, look a little better. We have RQT. So it's like the bottom of the box. And WQR. So WQR. So that's like the front of the box and the back of the box. And that's perpendicular, so that's 3. Now, basically on your skew lines, let's look at those. G and H, excuse me, GF, where's GF? GF here, and HC are skew. They're non-parallel lines that in space that do not intersect. Let's do a couple more. We have EF. So where's EF? This one. And AH. See, because they're far apart, so they'll never intersect. And we'll do one more. Let's do the last one. We have GA and DE. They're not parallel, and they will not intersect. So we're going to do a few more. Remember that parallel is going to equal 1. Skew equals 2. And perpendicular, I'll just write that, equals 3. So we have WZ and ZR. Those are perpendicular. They form a right angle here. So that's number 3. We have WZ and ST. Where's ST? Okay. Those are parallel. So that's number 1. We have QT and YS. Now those aren't parallel. they're not perpendicular, and they don't intersect, so that's skew number 2. All right, so erase this. And now we have plane WCR. So this front part of the box. And plane SYZ. So this is the front of the box and the side of the box. Those are perpendicular. So that's number 3. And then finally, RQT. Let me erase these two. RQT and plane W. Y. Where's Y? YXZ or YXW. So we're doing the top of the box and the bottom of the box. Now in the plane, these are parallel. So that is number 1. We'll go a little faster on the last one. We have, so we know 1 is parallel. I'll just write it like this. 1 is parallel, 2 is skew, and 3 is perpendicular. All right, so WZ is here, and XY is here. So those lines are parallel. WZ and YZ, those lines are perpendicular. So that's 3. We have RS and TZ, which is this one. They're not perpendicular and they're not parallel. These are skew. They're non-parallel lines. They look like they intersect the way I drew it, but remember this is the back of the box here. This is a dashed line. So they don't intersect. So that's skew. And finally, we have WQR and SYT, SYT. So that's basically the sides of each boxes. They're parallel. These are planes, so that's parallel. And then we also have RQW and TQW. So that's basically the front and the side, and those are perpendicular. So that's 3. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.